All right, Ahoy Captains. This is Zach Hatraf, the CEO and founder of Anchor. I am going to go through a little bit of a tutorial today and help you guys understand how we can sign up to be a captain and upload our vessel. So I want to show you guys exactly how that is. So I went to anchorrides.com and I landed on our homepage. It is important to note that our homepage consists of four major elements: our charters, our peer-to-peer apps, our captains, and skippers, or captains in training. Okay, so what I'm going to do from the home screen, I also have a navigation tool up here, and I'm going to click the captains tab, and I'm going to say, yeah, I'm already a captain and I want to sign up. Okay, so for all intents and purposes, I'm going to use Zachary Hatraf 2 as my, oh, sorry, that's an email address. I'm messing up my own. Let's do test@test.com. Test2@test.com. Sorry, and then I got to do my first name, which is going to be Zach. And then Hatraf. And my phone number, 314-852-3534. I'm going to set a bum password. Anchor123 exclamation point. You got to have some symbols in there. Must be at least 8 figures. And then the key here is to type in my birthday, which mine is 12/28/1985. And I click sign up. All right. So the first screen I come to is the Anchor code. Okay. I can read over here what our mission is, what the code is of ethics. This is something that passengers follow too. And then the background check operation here. It is important to note that if you are already a licensed captain, there is no need to do a second background check. We are going through Homeport and using that. You're going to enter your captain's license, so don't worry about it. Also, you can click the links below: terms of service, our privacy policy, our independent contractor agreement, which you are signing, in our cookie statement. We do have to use cookies on our application to follow some of the information and keep it. So we do have to disclose that information to you. And our terms of service, basically no back solicitation, non-compete type of stuff. We are not affecting any of your current business, only Anchor business. We don't want you passing your business cards, your private business cards, to an Anchor customer. So anyhow, let's go ahead and click accept, because I've read it. And I want to boat like a local, so this is our passengers, and I'm going to this is a little introduction, okay? I'm going to continue. Now I can add a profile picture of myself. See if I can't get a profile picture. Let's see if I can find something that resembles me. And I don't. So anyway, let's just add an image right now to make this quick and easy and painless. Okay, let's just add, this is Zach. Okay, that's me. All right, I can center my picture around my face, and I'm going to update my photo. Now, I entered my phone number, and right about now, my phone will text me, and there it goes. I got a code in my text message verification, and it's 3291. If you did not enter your correct cell phone number at this point, you can change your phone number, okay? And if you get the right one, you can confirm it. Read over here. It says, don't stress. We'll text you to confirm bookings. We'll email you too. That's why we need your cell phone number, guys and gals. We need to be able to text you and confirm, where you can click and say, yes, I accept. I do want to take that trip out. I do want to drive that boat. I do want to accept this charter, okay? All right, so then I can enter in some basic information. Let's go 123 Fake Street, apartment 123 in Clearwater, Florida, and I enter 33762. Okay. That's it. I've entered in my address. Now, here, it is important that you click, if you have a boat, you're going to want to list it, okay? And definitely always click Captain, Skipper for Hire, and Peer-to-Peer. These combined, and you'll want to be able to do that. If you don't have your captain's license, go ahead and click Anchor Academy. You may want to do that as well. Then click the Select Services button that's down here in the bottom left. After this, you can enter in your bodies of water, starting with the state, or type in Clearwater. Start typing. If you're a Freedom Boat Club member or one of our captains there, you can type in FBC. So I'm going to just type Clearwater, and I'm going to type St. Petersburg, okay, and Tampa, Florida, Tampa. Okay, so good stuff. All right, now I know where I'm going to be at. I can say, hi guys, my name is Zach, and this is my test account. It's important to have a call to action. Use the booking tool to reserve a date with me, and I will be happy to take you out on the water. Safety and fun are my priorities. Now, I can also click that I'm a licensed captain, and I can put in my captain's license number. Okay, I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 because it's a fake account. All right, you're all set. You're good. Okay, see you on the water. Let's log in. Okay, now I get to my dashboard. This is your captain dashboard. Okay, when we say captain dashboard, we mean log in. Use this login button over here, and it knows who you are, and we go through this. So I can change my profile picture here if I need to. I can change my address if I move. I can change my description if I decide, hey, I want to add some other stuff on here, or my captain's license number changes for whatever reason. I can add different bodies of water if I go to a different region. I can say, hey, now I'm available in Florida Keys, or I'm available in Fort Lauderdale, or Miami, or California, wherever. Now, this is the most important aspect right here, in my opinion. Okay, I need to add a vessel. So when you add to our boatyard here, you are adding a boat to the mobile application only. Okay, we can actually add your boat to our list, our charter list separately, and we do that after you do this. So do this first. Go to the boatyard, click Add a Vessel, and it'll take you to this thing. So I'm going to say the name of my vessel is What Dreams May Come, and a fake number. What Dreams May Come is a, well, what do I want to drive today? Let's drive a 45-foot motor yacht, and the make will be Sea Ray. You know, I'm going to get some trouble for that. And it's a 450 Sundancer. We've got inboards, and we've got twins. Okay. Now, I'm going to set my price. So I've filled in all the things. I should note, this is very important. On the inches here, you have to put in 0. You can't just leave it blank. This won't accept 0. Okay? So, or 2. I don't care. Just something here. And what I can do here, you can also track your gross tonnage. Okay? So if you want to do that and track gross tonnage, that's great. And it's not necessary. It's not required. So my hourly rate, what does this include? Well, this includes, if you read closely, it includes the captain, the boat, and the fuel. Okay, so I have to include my fuel. So I'm driving a 450 Sundancer. I'm going to need to set my rate up. Normally, I would do my charters for about $175 an hour. But since I have to include fuel, I'm burning about $25 an hour in fuel. So I'm going to set my price at $200. Okay, so now I can enter my insurance information. Who's my provider? My policy number, the date that it expires, which is going to be, well, I need to do it in the future. And the name on the policy. My name. Then I take a picture of it and I upload it. Why do I need insurance? A lot of people ask at this stage. Well, I need insurance because, here, I'm just going to upload a invoice, okay? But we verify and check all this stuff. So invoice 0153 is my, let's pretend it's my declarations page of my insurance. And we're going to check this before we let you go active, okay? So why do I need insurance is what I was saying. You need insurance because our insurance requires that you have a private policy. I asked why. I said, why do they need it if we have it? He said, well, if you park one of your captains parks the boat and, ties it off and everything's good, and then a storm comes in, let's say Hurricane Michael, and a tree branch falls on the boat, well, we don't want the claim for that because the charter is over. Anchor's insurance only covers you while you're online and underway of a charter because you're using the vessel commercially. So we cover all commercial operations. If you're not with customers, you're not actually going to get customers on your way to get them, then you are not covered, okay? So at this point, I've uploaded my insurance, and now it's time to upload my vessel photos, okay? So we're going to find a cool boat. All right, I'm going to upload this image of my boat, and I can adjust what they see and also slide and toggle it. It's important to have the boat in the center of the page and have it zoomed in with some nice background. So here's what I would do if I was going to crop this. I'd actually go a little bit bigger, maybe, a little less. Come on. I'd go right about there. Bam. Some horizon. Looks really great. I would upload. Give it a second. Click featured image. Very important. Click featured image. And then if you are a person who wants another captain to drive your boat while you're gone, or you have multiple boats and you need another captain, go ahead and click this and say, I'm interested in letting Anchor contacted me about allowing another captain to drive my boat. So you can make multiple streams of income if you have multiple boats. Or you can make money while you sleep and let a captain drive your boat while you go in the house and take a nap. Okay? I'm going to save it. There's What Dreams May Come. She's looking beautiful. And I'm done. I can also go into my captain services, make sure these two are checked, select, and done. I just completed sign up. Okay? And that's it. I'm happy about it. You should be happy about it. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write an email to either Zach@anchorrides.com, or I'm going to go to Anchor's website and message us and say, hey, I uploaded my boat. Go ahead and activate me. And just remind us, maybe we took a break or we're busy or something. So we're a small business right now, small team. If you don't see your boat upload into your mobile app, then that. So the next step, final step here until the next video, is you're going to download the Anchor Captain app. You at this point can now download the Anchor Captain app. You have a login. Your boat yard will be empty until we approve this vessel. We have to validate and verify all the information. Once that's done, you're good to go. So look forward to seeing more boats being uploaded and more captain profiles being built. I'm going to post this on YouTube, and please comment in the section below, and I'm happy to answer any questions you all have. Thanks again, and my contact information one more time is Zach Hatraf. It's 314-852-3534 is my cell phone, 314-852-3534, or Zach@anchorrides.com. That's ZACH at ANCHORRIDES.com, anchorrides.com. Have a good one, and I'll see you on the water.